Hello, kumusta kayo dyan? Ako okay lang. Hello mga ka-darling, good morning. Good afternoon, good evening. My name is Sir Ka-darling Budoy. What's up, yo? So yun mga ka-darling, pauwi na ako from night shift. I had my 3-night shift in a row. So medyo antok na ako, nakakapagod, o diba? Kita naman sa eye bags ko, sa mata ko. Pero am I looking fresh still? Charot lang. Ayun, so I just wish everybody na you're gonna be safe today and enjoy the rest of the day. Yun lang. So holiday today dito sa UK, they call it bank holiday. Kaya makikita ninyo walang masyadong mga tao sa kalsada, as you can see. Ayan, so yeah, that's the Norbiton Station. Ayan. Ayan, so kita nyo, walang masyadong tao. Actually, wala talagang tao, diba? Pero anyway guys, thank you for always watching my videos, and I really appreciate it. Alright, bye bye mga ka-darling.